Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is the largest digit at ones place of the given number. What that will make it divisible by 9 is. Now, firstly, let us see what is the divisibility test of 9. By divisibility test of 9, the number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of that number is also divisible by 9. Let the digit at ones place of the given number of the number 1, 3, 4, 1 is x. So by divisibility test, 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus x, that is 9 plus x, should be divisible by 9. So the possibilities of that 9 plus x will be 0 or 9 or 18 and so on. So the value of x will be either 0 or 9 because x will not be negative. So here 9 plus x will be 9, 18 and so on. So the values of x will be either 0, 9, 0 or 9. Among 0 and 9, the largest digit is 9. Hence, the number be 13419. So our correct option is option A.